What I'd like to show you today is my indicator, the key levels indicator. Very important indicator for me because it shows key support and resistance levels. What it shows is yesterday's high, which is this line here, D1 top, and yesterday's low, D1 bottom. Now you can see, if we look at the dollar CAD here, yesterday's high is here, 98.96, and as you can see, as we get into today, that's finally broken and then acts as support. Very important. When you're going to go long after resistance has been broken, you must wait for the pullback to see if it acts as support. So it breaks through. This resistance high of yesterday is now becoming to act as support for today. Can you see that? And then price moves up, and then you can take an FSS trade as price moves up. Very straightforward. Now the yellow lines, sorry, the white lines are the 4-hour high and low. Now you can see here you've got a confluence of events. You've got yesterday's high resistance, which is now support, and you've got a 4-hour low, which is going to act as support. This gives you more confidence to take this long on the FSS trade. Again, we get a 4-hour high, price drops off, then breaks through it. So if price breaks through the 4-hour high and through the 99.20 sweet spot, you've got confidence to go long again with the FSS system. Let's take a different currency pair. This is Aussie dollar. Now that's yesterday's high, Friday's high. This is yesterday's low, 1.0726. Now you can see yesterday's low today is broken, it falls through it, but retests again. Okay, retests and then falls again. You could do an FSS trade. Price is below the 240 SMA and it's below the trend SMA. The trend SMA is very important. Now later in the day, price tries to rise again, but what happens? It gets stopped by yesterday's low, which is acting as resistance now. And of course you've got a 4-hour high also acting as resistance, and price falls off. This gives you more confidence to take that FSS short there. Price finally breaks through the 4-hour low, which is also the 0700. Breaks through both. Again, it gives you confidence to take the FSS short. The purple lines are the 1-hour high and low, more short term. So the key levels indicator gives you yesterday's high and low in yellow, the 4-hour high and low, and the 1-hour high and low, which is in purple. 4-hour high and low in white. Very important indicator. It's now available for sale on my website, www.sm-forex.com. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Again, Friday's low there in yellow. We've broken through it, then we've retested it. We formed a 4-hour high, and yesterday's low, which is now acting as resistance, was support but now resistance, and price fell off, and you could have done an FSS trade there with this reversal candle, 25-30 pips. Again, it gives you confidence to make trades when you see support and resistance here. You can see the 4-hour lows acting as support. The price has come down to it again an hour later and pushed right off. Okay folks, this is Steve Margison, www.sm-forex.com. Thank you.